This video is for AI enthusiasts around the world. We've got some groundbreaking news from the world of artificial intelligence. Are you curious to know about it? Stay tuned in, folks. Stability AI, a trailblazing force in the realm of artificial intelligence, has once again shattered the boundaries of innovation with their latest revelation. Having wowed the world previously with their groundbreaking Stable Diffusion Image Generation AI, Stability AI's visionary team has taken a monumental leap forward by introducing not one, but two extraordinary AI models, Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2. These models represent a seismic shift in the landscape of open-access large language models, and their unveiling marks a pivotal moment in the trajectory of AI advancement. Imagine a future where the barriers to accessing and harnessing the power of advanced language models are shattered, where the vast potential of artificial intelligence is available to researchers, developers, and thinkers from all corners of the globe. Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 stand as beacons of possibility, illuminating a path towards unprecedented capabilities in natural language processing. Their arrival heralds an era where intricate reasoning, linguistic nuance, and profound insights are at the fingertips of those who seek to unravel the complexities of our world. These models aren't merely technological feats. They are the embodiment of a collective vision to democratize AI, to empower minds to explore and unlock new frontiers of understanding. As the curtain rises on this new chapter, Stability AI's Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 are poised to redefine how we interact with and harness the potential of AI. They signal a future where boundaries are blurred, limitations are shattered, and the once unthinkable becomes reality. Get ready to witness the dawn of a new era as Stability AI propels us into an age of unparalleled possibilities, all driven by the ingenuity and vision of Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2. Founded by the visionary former UK hedge funder Emad Mostaqueh, Stability AI emerges as a pioneering force at the forefront of AI innovation. With a relentless drive to redefine what's possible, the company's journey has been marked by a commitment to pushing the boundaries of technological advancement. In a dazzling display of their unwavering pursuit of excellence, Stability AI has introduced two new LLMs, Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2. These models represent the culmination of relentless research and development, a testament to Stability AI's dedication to propelling the AI field forward. Drawing inspiration from Meta's Llama and Llama 2 open-source models, Stability AI has embarked on a journey of transformation. But here's where the magic happens. Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 have been meticulously trained on an entirely fresh and innovative approach. A daring departure from convention, Stability AI's ingenious team has woven synthetic data into the fabric of these models, creating a dataset that defies expectations. This synthesis of existing knowledge with groundbreaking methodology sets Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 apart. Like artists crafting a masterpiece, Stability AI has woven threads of innovation and ingenuity, resulting in AI models that are both familiar and refreshingly novel. These LLMs beckon us to explore their intricacies, to delve into their capabilities and understand the profound implications of their design. They challenge us to reimagine what AI can achieve when nurtured by a company that dares to tread uncharted territory. So as we embark on this journey of discovery, let us unravel the layers that make Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 exceptional, and embrace the future they beckon us towards. Now, what sets Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 apart? Picture these AI marvels as virtuoso conductors of language, orchestrating symphonies of thought with a mastery that defies imagination. Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 emerge as linguistic maestros, wielding the intricate threads of language with finesse and grace. Their abilities extend far beyond mere comprehension. These models possess an uncanny knack for intricate reasoning, seamlessly navigating the labyrinthine corridors of complex thought. They're not just deciphering words, they're deciphering the very essence of meaning, untangling the convoluted webs of logic that often confound the human mind. But it doesn't stop there. Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 are the torchbearers of linguistic subtleties, capturing the nuances and intricacies that often escape even the most discerning of minds. They're like language archaeologists, meticulously uncovering the hidden gems buried beneath layers of syntax and semantics. Now, envision an AI that doesn't just scratch the surface of specialized domains like law and mathematics, but plunges headlong into their depths. These models are more than just assistants. They're pioneering explorers, charting uncharted territories with an audacity that challenges the very limits of what's possible. Imagine consulting an AI that can sift through legal jargon with the ease of a seasoned attorney, distilling complex statutes and precedents into concise and comprehensible explanations. Envision having an AI at your side that doesn't shy away from mathematical enigmas, but thrives on unraveling equations that baffle even the brightest minds. In a world hungry for insights, Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 rise to the occasion, ushering in a paradigm shift in our relationship with knowledge. They're the guides through the labyrinth of complexities, the interpreters of arcane wisdom, and the architects of enlightenment. With them, the unimaginable becomes reality, and the revolutionary becomes routine. But hold on, there's a catch. In a strategic move that underscores their commitment to fostering a collaborative ecosystem, Stability AI's subsidiary, Carper AI, has taken a distinctive approach by releasing Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 under a non-commercial license. This carefully chosen licensing framework sets the stage for a new era of knowledge dissemination and cooperative exploration. Under this non-commercial license, these AI marvels stand as beacons of inclusivity, inviting researchers, academics, and enthusiasts from around the world to join in the pursuit of expanding the frontiers of AI understanding. The decision not to tether these models to business interests underscores a dedication to a higher purpose, the advancement of human knowledge and the democratization of AI prowess. The implications are profound. By making Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 accessible for research purposes, Carper AI has laid the groundwork for a collective endeavor where minds from diverse backgrounds can converge to unlock novel insights, devise innovative applications, and propel the AI community forward. This approach is a testament to the belief that true progress is achieved not in isolation, but through collaboration and shared exploration. It's a rallying cry for the AI community to unite, transcending traditional boundaries and seizing the opportunity to shape the future collectively. In a world often driven by commercial gains, Carper AI's stance offers a refreshing alternative, where the pursuit of knowledge takes precedence. Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2's non-commercial license resonates with the very essence of open access, illuminating a path towards a more interconnected, inclusive, and informed AI landscape. It's a declaration that the true value of these models lies not in monetary gains, but in the boundless potential of human intellect coming together to break new ground. Think of Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 as superheroes in the AI world. They got their names from a cool idea Microsoft had, which is like making small dogs do tricks as well as big dogs. What's even cooler is that Stability AI made them even more amazing. You know how some cars are big and use a lot of gas, but they're really fast? Well, Stability AI made these AI superheroes using only a little bit of information, like using less gas, but they're still super smart and can do tricky things with words. And guess what? They're even better at some things than a famous AI called ChatGPT. So it's like having tiny superheroes that use less energy, but can still outshine the big guys. That's why Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 are so awesome. Think of large language models like super smart students. Sometimes when they learn too much from stuff made by other AI, they get a bit confused. This is called model collapse. But Stability AI had a brilliant idea to fix this. Imagine they used special practice questions made by other super smart students to teach their models. They made 500,000 of these questions. But that's not all. They also made 100,000 questions all by themselves, like making up stories. This is like adding extra fun to learning. And guess what? The Stability AI models became even better at their tasks. This is a bit like having superhero teachers who use new and exciting ways to help students learn without getting confused. Plus, they're not copying anyone's work, so no one gets upset. This shows that using these made-up questions could be a great way to make sure the AI students stay super smart and don't get mixed up. Thinking about the future, Stability AI has big dreams for Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2. It's like they're imagining these AI superheroes becoming leaders in the world of AI that anyone can use. These models could change the way we understand and use language, making it much easier for computers to talk to us like humans. Imagine if these AI superheroes could help solve really tough problems and do things that are really hard for computers right now. It's like they're opening a door to a world of amazing possibilities. People who work with AI are super excited about what Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2 could do, because they could be like the key to unlock so many new and cool cool things. It's a bit like everyone. It is waiting for a big adventure to start, and these AI superheroes might be the ones to lead the way. And there you have it, folks. Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2, the revolutionary AI duo from Stability AI. What do you think about this exciting development? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence.